Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to deposit a check through HSBC UK mobile banking. All right, so let's begin with the video. So from in there, head over first to your account and then log in on your mobile banking option. Now from in there, just choose in here the account that you want to add that check into. For example, you can add it right here under the call deposit account. And then once you have clicked on that, you just need to click on the check images, and then you should be able to see in here this screen. So click on this paycheck info, select the account you want to add it to, and input right here the deposit amount. Now from in there, you can see in here the check images. So click on this front of check, and then just lay your check in front of you, and then picture it. And then picture as well the backup to check, and click on continue, and then wait for it to be actually deposited and processed and added into your account. So that's basically how you can deposit a check through HSBC UK mobile banking. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.